Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change the text in the announcement bar on Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website. Right here is shopify.com if you're not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your Shopify account, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can get started with editing your store. And here is all the options we have, such as home, orders, products, and so on, everything we can access. And guys, this is what we want to open up. We want to open up the online store section right here on the left side screen. After opening up online store, this is going to open up our themes section immediately, where we can go ahead and manage our themes. And this is how we can get started with changing the text in our announcement bar. What we're going to do is go ahead and find our theme right here, and next to our theme we're going to have a couple of options. If you click customize guys, this is going to open up this new main page where you can get started with customizing your options that you have. So you can see here we have the announcement bar at the top of the screen. So what we're going to be doing guys is going to go ahead and open up the announcement bar under our header, and as you can see here is our announcement bar. So what you can do is click on your announcement bar text here, and as you can see here is what our announcement says. It says welcome to our store. You want to go ahead and change it to whatever you want. You can change it to whatever, you can delete it, doesn't matter, change it to whatever you want. And after that, just go back and save it right here in the upper right corner, save your changes, and after you have saved your changes, it's going to apply automatically to your store, and now your announcement bar text is going to change. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.